how to temporarily lift a credit freeze on Equifax. Need to apply for credit, but have a freeze on your Equifax report? Here's how to lift it temporarily in just minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to temporarily lift a credit freeze on Equifax so you can apply for loans, credit cards, or services without permanently removing your protection. Step 1, go to Equifax.com and log into your Equifax account. Step 2, from the dashboard, click on Manage a Freeze. Step 3, select the Temporarily Lift Freeze option. Step 4, choose whether to lift the freeze for a specific date range or for a specific creditor. Step 5, enter the required details, including the lender name or time period. Step 6, confirm your request, and Equifax will lift the freeze for the selected time or recipient. Quick tip, once the period ends, the freeze is automatically reapplied, so you stay protected. Like this tip? Hit like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and share your experience with credit freezes in the comments. Thanks for watching.